Friends, this one is so cool. In today's Growing STEM, we take you inside a local lab that's working on cancer research in a surprising way. At Western Reserve Academy, high school students are helping with research that could one day lead to life-changing treatments.
Students fill 2 lab rooms, moving quickly between microscopes and test samples. It's a typical day inside Western Reserve Academy's Cancer Immunology Lab.
What we do is study cancer biology and then try to detect specific biomarkers or potential future treatments of cancer.
Dr. Robert Aguilar founded the lab after working at the Cleveland Clinic, where he saw the impact student interns could have on research.
During that time, I got to see how well they worked, how much responsibility they could take on, and the real world research that they could take on. And so that's sort of sparked the idea.
Now he's teaching high school students techniques that he didn't learn until his doctoral studies. This is true cutting-edge research. For the past 8 years, students here have been working on a prostate cancer vaccine.
We're growing cancer cells and we're kind of testing different ways to basically to see how we can prevent cancer growth.
Students also present their findings at a national conference for immunologists, alongside physicians, graduate students, and scientists.
There's nothing more humbling than to actually put your research out there and have others look at it, review it, critique it, and most importantly, come back with ideas on how to improve it.
What began as a small program has grown to 70 students working on 13 projects, studying cancers including prostate, breast, lymphoma, and melanoma.
I think that coming in here every day is just like very fulfilling, and we just get to test, and I love working on these cells and I love doing research, and that's something that I want to pursue.
Past students have gone on to study cancer as a career, but even if they don't, the problem-solving skills learned here will follow them into whatever they choose to do.
I don't think that I would be going into STEM without this cancer lab and without all the work that we get to do. So I'm very grateful for it, and it's a really amazing opportunity.
The prostate cancer vaccine the students are working on is modeled after a breast cancer vaccine that is currently in phase 2 clinical trials at the Cleveland Clinic. So cool.